you look, see if I can get this to zoom. Can't get it to zoom. There we go. If you notice right there, you can see the water coming up. So I thought they'd capped it off, but doesn't appear that way. Oh, that sucker's really buried. Watch a gator come up out of that damn water and get me. As you can see, that puppy is really buried. That's I don't know, man. Maybe he wanted to pop a wheelie. You can see the genius team there that managed this one. Thing's really buried. Anyways, that's it.